Write your website in minutes with Wix AI. Here's how. Open the Wix editor and select AI content from the left menu. Start with the homepage. Enter your business name, tone, and core features. Give a prompt like friendly web copy for a boutique bakery emphasizing freshness. Wix AI delivers multiple headline and intro options. Review, select, or regenerate instantly. Customize the chosen copy in editor. Tweak words, add keywords, and adjust length. Ask Wix AI to write a concise about page in first person. For services, list each offering, then ask for short, benefit-focused descriptions and bullets. Generate blog content. Input topic, choose tone and length, then create a draft. Record the screen highlighting prompts and AI outputs. Show captions and quick tips. Quick tips. Be specific, experiment with tones, and always proofread before publishing. Ready to fill your site with polished content? Try Wix AI and publish faster.